Milarepa had to go through 7 severe hardships before he received any Dharma teachings from Lord Marpa, who often lost his temper and became quite angry with him. Milarepa never lost hope and never doubted Marpa Lotsawa. He never became discouraged and, without complaining, he never hesitated to fulfill the immense demands that the stern translator expected of him. Milarepa followed through and accomplished all feats, which not only made Marpa very, very happy, but was the reason why Marpa trusted him fully and why their teacher-disciple relationship, tendrel, was so extraordinary and profound. Marpa gave Milarepa the refuge vows, the lay practitioner's vows, and the bodhisattva vows. Later he gave Milarepa all teachings and transmissions of vajrayana, which is also called secret mantrayana.